Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's another week of savings challenges, but I'm changing things up a little bit this week. I've got a few new ones that I want to start. I've got Grab a Book and also the mini savings. My trusted £150 dice challenge, that's not new. Shut the box. Finally got it printed off my desktop and thought I will give it a go. All of these challenges I'm going to use a dice for them. So let's start with this one first, and I'm going to use 2 red dice. £140, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. Right here, and I'll keep my calculator here for now. I'm going to mark it off with this pink, this hot pink. I like that. Right, so let's keep that there. Let's go. Let's see. Right, so that's 5. 3 and 2 is 5, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm just going to mark this off here like that, so I know. All right, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, £10. There we go, £10 for that. And I'm leaving that one for now. Or shall I do another one? What do you think? Shall I do another one? Let's do another one. Oh, it's all about the daring, isn't it? Be daring. Oh, 11. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, £22. See? And I'm just going to round it up as 25. That's how it is. Yeah? 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep. And that's it. I'm not playing anymore. Yeah. I'll just put this this money away. All the money for these challenges are going into one envelope. Might as well just put it into one envelope and call it a day. So see? That's amazing how it all mounts up. Right, and before I get carried away with these dice challenges, let me just get my August melons out the way. Rightio. Red. Where's my red? Staring me in my face. Okay, so that's 15 this week. So that's £5 each melon. And I'll just colour this in quickly. That's lovely. Very pretty. So that's 15. All done. Because I don't want to get carried away with those dice games and then I don't have enough to stuff. So that is done. Okay, let's carry on. I'll do 2 blacks. That's 3, 1, 2, 3. So I will stuff 5, and then I'll roll again. That's 11, 6 and 5, 11. Let's just mark this off with a green. I like that green. So what did I have at first? 3. So we mark that off. So it's 11 now. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's okay. So there we go. There's 15 in here. And then we will move on. Let me do purples. $12, 2 6s. Okay, 15 for that for now. So it's 12, and then we'll roll again. 12 again. Wow. 2 6s again. That was a lot today. I'll put this back and do 30. There we go. For the big dice. Where's the big dice? Roll the big dice and 30, because it should be 24. 12 and 12, 24. Actually, I could do 25. What do you think? Should I do? Yeah, let me do 25. That makes more sense. Great. And I will just change this up just in case I might need a couple of 5s. Lovely. And then now we have the one and only notorious Shut the Box. Okay. Right, let's do this. I'll do the should I do black already? Let me do the wooden ones. Right. And what colours? What colours? I don't want to do. I'm so into this pink. Let's do pink and purples. Two 5s. That's 10. I am knocking out the 9. That's for sure. And I know a 1 is going to come up in the next roll, and I'm not going to be able to do it. Six and 3. So 6 and 3. That's 9. Let's do 6 and 3.
Need to sharpen my pencils. Do that.
Right. 4.
Sorry. Okay, do 4.
And 6 and 1. That's 7. Great. Okay. and 4. 3 and 1 is 4, and I'm out. So I've got, let's see, we've got 8, 5, 2, 15. Okay, that's good for me. I'll just put 15 here. And I'm not doing any more. No, it's not getting any more money out of me. That's it. I'm done with Shut the Books.
Just colour that inside though. Yeah, I just have to keep, you know, a control on the money. We had 8, 5 and 2.
I'm really pleased with that. £15 and it gets no more. There we go. I hope you liked it as much as I did. This new roll the dice, isn't it good? I like that. Got £35 left over for rollover. Not quite sure if I'm going to add it to my sinking funds or challenges next time around. I'll have to see once I work everything out. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.